Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. You are in the right place, you're not lost. The channel is called The Solution Us. So I've just written the abbreviation, The Soul Us. The aim of this channel is try to educate the young members of the community and talk about life tricks and all the things that we are facing in our daily lives as youths, as teenagers, and in general as adults. The aim is to bring everyone to the light and let everyone discover themselves in different dimensions. And thank you for being here. Please subscribe and thank you for being here. I hope one of the many videos that will drop gets to teach you or gets to give you something that you can learn from, and we shall all prosper and grow together. Thanks.